this is Nino, the distributor of Blind Stars PH, at the natural organ, an airsoft enthusiast. Ngayon, buwan ng September na naman, pero di pa natin masisimulan yung 4 na episodes na sa Rebels Expansion, yung 4 episodes. Gawa na naman na may dumating niya naman na isang special episode na naman para sa buwan ng September na naman to. At yun, ang tatalakayin natin na diretsahan na yun. O ano? Ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Christmas. Ngayon, ladies and gentlemen, this public service message is brought to you by Nino's Revenge Masterpieces, Friends of Nino Palaypayong Cruz, Kamongols across the planet, Mangkano Racing Team, Saguni Alimbebang, at syempre, lason sa daga, pre-taste. Pwede ba i-try sa'yo? Ngayon, pero sa special episode na to, tatalakayin natin ito sa buwan na to na September about ito sa mga toxic na individual sa sanlibutan na kung saan naka-record lahat nakalagay sa mga, alam mo na, yung mga libro na kukulang-kulang na katulad mo na mukhang dupang. Ngayon, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, starteran na natin kaagad ang special episode na to para sa Rebels Expansion na to. So, on the special episode of the Rebels Expansion known as Not an Outsider but a Parasite. Ito sana mensahe ko na to ay magsisilbi sanang eye-opener sa inyo lahat ito. Ngayon, bakin na natin ang isang napakatinding special episode na ito sa remake. Ngayon, talaga start na natin. Ngayon, sisimulan na natin. Ang mensahe ko lang ito ay para sa mga shoutout dyan sa mga toxic na mga nasa workplace natin. Para lang naman talaga sa inyo to eh. Eto, mainig ka mabuti. Kasi para lang, hindi naman para lahat nasa awareness na natin to. So, not an outsider but a parasite. So, for those people like you are up against me, you and the corrupt demons are an undeniable presence. O bakit? A tremendous employee, a future permanent, and a future outstanding citizen award. These are things I believe to be true. But my gosh, aba putri gosh, mukha ka tuloy ng mukhang kargador ng gas. You make me so upset about this. And they make you upset too. Tama, di ba? Yeah, and I can tell why I am upset for years. Because you have been name-calling, belittle me, everything but you squishy little beasts stuck on this one for Nino Cruz. Ayan. I guess everyone here in my turf chooses wanker, but the term I keep hearing is all about me, the Maverick Hunter itself, known as Nino Cruz. They say Nino Cruz is a bad employee, a bad person. We got a course correct, but you guys, we ain't leaving. You stuck with him, and you said Nino Cruz is a disappointment. No, you're a disappointment. Ulit, you're a disappointment because we were so excited to make Smart and happy when you came here, lad. I sat and talked to you for hours at the forum. As a family, we open our arms to you instead of respecting this house, the alma mater, the UCC. What in the blue hell do you do? You use us for some branding opportunity na para maging isa ang sakim sa mahalin na painabang, and you use us also for your own vile purposes to buy another Pokemon card. To buy another Pokemon card. Isa lang ibig sabihin nun, ginamit mo lang kami para lang sa iyong pansariling kapaanan. Ginamit mo lang yan, ginamit mo lang ang alma mater para lang sa iyong pagiging sakim sa mahalin na pakinabang. And on top of that, you got the audacity, I repeat, you got the audacity, you come out here, running in your mouth, bully my family, step into our home, and then brag to me that you put your life on the line para ipapetition ako, ipatanggal ako. And you also put your life on the line for those constituents for over a decade as a permanent. Wow, permanent. That's an amazing career. Because I have that a decade ever since I was a student in UCC. You dig that? O ano? Baka nga yung iba sa inyo, nanosbid dito sa mga pinagano ko dito. Eto, isi-simple tagalog natin para madikdik lamang sa inyo mga sariling ko-ote dito. Eto, noong estudyante pa lang ako, nangangalakal na ako dito for more years. Para lang ano, may pambahan ako, may pang projects ako sa school projects for my mom and family. Hindi lang yan, naging varsity rin ako ng taekwondo at naging student assistant ako under the guise of my mentor and boss, and I did succeed for the people that actually give a damn. Back in 2007, nangangalakal na ako dyan sa alma mater na to ng mga plastic scraps, pati mga ibang scraps na pinatapon na para lang ano, may pandagdag sa baon, may sa school project, sa tuition, pagkain, gamot, load, panggastos para sa pamilya. And yet you were making fun of Nino, and you make fun of me with your own cahoots here in this school. You see Shambler, you got all this potential, but that's the one difference between me and you, the maverick hunter versus the corrupt demons. And that's why they are the way they are. Every single time I step in this school, whether I get 100, 105 or 1 merit, all I do is a one question, and my track record here in UCC proves it. Anong tatanong ko sa inyo, guys? Yan. What can I give to this business? Ulit, what can I give to this business? Ano ang mayaambag ko dito sa university na to? O sa alma mater na to? O yan, sabihin natin. The reason they give you a hard time is because they can see you for your own slimy dog. In fact, you are a stray dog than a hyena. Mas mukha ka pang ligaw na aso kaysa sa hyena. Every time you step in this workplace, in this school, you also got one question, but it's all different. Ano yun? Ano yun? It's what can you take from this business? It's what can you take from this university? It does not matter, comrade. Well, I'm dropping some ancient words of wisdom on you. Ito ang ancient words of wisdom para sa'yo. Know your role, shut your mouth. It doesn't matter what you how fast you can run away from your own past sins and atrocities. It doesn't matter how much high and mighty you can jump. It doesn't matter how many credentials, medals, honors you create. These people in the city can see through deep fake and bullshit, and they know you're here for the wrong reasons. Bakit? I'm gonna flip up the crappy script. Kaya I'm a flip up the crappy script. You are not an outsider. You're a parasite. That tracks, yeah. That sounds really good. You are a bloody parasite in this planet. The truth is a jagged pill. And the truth is you step into this business and suck everything you can from it. You have sucked opportunity away in my final moments of deserving to become a permanent like my old comrades here in UCC. Yeah, you hear that? They want to see my newest episodes at the remake and expansion this month of September, and they think I'm wasting my time with you. They want to see the legendary catchphrases of action in Malasakit, Tawang Una, so on and so forth, and they think I'm wasting my time on you. We have an agreement there a lot about having of no reason to fight with you either. And that's what makes us strong. And that thing they know is I'm a man of my word. And what happened is you got lucky. You went first in line and asked for a job, and you got one. And now in UCC, my alma mater, is the most important career of your life. Sa action at Malasakit, sa trabaho, pagdating sa mga bagay na yan, na catchphrases na Tawang Una, action at Malasakit, you know about hustle. You know nothing about loyalty nor respect. And the first thing you should understand is if you are going to make it in any long-term capacity in this business. This is never your house. I learned the hardest way, but this is their word. Hindi ito ang iyong pamamahay. Yun ang sanlibutan nila. Yan ang mundo nila. And as far as a under observation agreement, I read the news, comrade. You got plenty of legal trouble. The only agreement we have here in UCC or in the city is you better bring your S game to expansion. You dig that? Better bring your hindi A game, S game. Kasi may anim na 6 multiple subsidiaries yung sa ranking S, A, B, C, D, E, F. Diba? So better bring your S game to expansion because you were dealing with the greatest UCC's legendary of all time. And if you think for a 1 second in my career moments here by trying to do any clever, I'm just gonna waltz you out back in Camarin, or I just gonna waltz you out to Kingdom Come with your with your tail between your legs, and you're just doing backflipping stabbers, selling some salt water. You here for a long time. Pero eto ang ulit mensaheng bibitawan ko sa inyo, guys. At Revenge Expansion, you will either understand what it means to give up yourself to this business I love, or I'm gonna beat in the ever loving out here. Wisdom drop. Now so is you. Attitude adjustment for someone who needs one. So, bago tayo mag-end, yung topic na yan ay sasabihin natin dito, ayun, mga taga-Galasa ito. Talata ng Biblia about sa Galatians 6:1-18. Ito. Mga kapatid, kung mayroon man sa inyo na naagawa ng kasalanan, kayong pinapatnubayan ng Espiritu ng ang magtuwid sa Kanya. Gawin ninyo yon ng mainahon at mag-iingat kayo, baka kayo naman ang matukso. Magtulungan kayo sa pagdadala ng pasanin ng bawat isa. Sa gayong paraan ay matutupad ninyo ang utos ni Kristo. Dahil inaakala ninyo kayo ay nakakahigit sa iba, subalit hindi naman. Dinadaya ninyo yung sarili. Magalak siya kung mabuti ang kanyang ginagawa. Huwag na niyang ihambing pa. Huwag na niyang ihambing pa sa iyon sa gawa ng iba, sapagkat ang pananagutan ng bawat isa ay ang kanyang sariling gawain. So, ibig sabihin, yung pagiging arrogante mo magsisilbing magiging kapamakan mo. Command responsibility mo yun eh. So, balik tayo dito. Dapat bahagi na ng lahat ng mga pagpapalang tinatamasan ng mga tinuturuan ng mga nagtuturo ng salita ng Diyos. Huwag ninyo akalain na madadayan ninyo ang Diyos. O sino ba naman na siraulong tolongis na gagawin na dadayain nyo ang Panginoon? Hindi nyo kayang gawin yun, kaya ako sa iyo, huwag nyo na subukan yan. Balik tayo dito. Kung ano ay tinanim ng tao, yun din ang inyong aahinihin. Ang sumusunod na nasa kanyang laman ay nag-aari ng kapahamakan. Ngunit ang sumusunod naman sa Espiritu ay ang nag-aari ng buhay na walang hanggan. Then, kaya't huwag tayong magsasawa sa paggawa ng mabuti pagdating ng panahon dahil tayo ay ani kung hindi tayo magsasawa. Kaya nga sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay gumawa tayo ng mabuti sa lahat ng tao, lalo na sa mga kapatid natin sa pananampalataya. Mapapansin ninyo na malaki ang titik na sulat na ito. Ako ang siyang sumulat nito. Ang mga taong naghahangad ng mapuri sa Apa ay ang minamalit sa inyong kayo'y magpatuli. Ginagawa nila yun upang wag silang usigin dahil sa krus ni Kristo. Kahit na sila yung mga tuli ay hindi naman tumutupad sa kautusan. Nais naman nilang patuli kayo upang maipagmalaki nila na kayo man ay tumutupad sa tuntunin yun. Ay wag namang mangyari sa akin ng ganun. Ang ipinagmamalaki ko ay ang kamatayan ng ating Panginoon si Kristo, sapagkat sa pamagitan nito ang mundong ito'y patay na para sa akin, at ako na may patay na rin sa mundo, sa mundong ilalim. Ika nga, hindi mahalaga kung tuliman o hindi ang isang tao. Ang mahalaga ko siya ay naging bagong nilalang. Manatili nawa ang kapayapaan at habag ng Diyos sa lahat ng mga namumuhay ayon sa tuntunin ito at sa buong bayan ng Diyos. Kaya mula ngayon, huwag nang dagdagan nino man ang aking mga paghihirap. Sapat na ang mga pilat na taglay ko para makilalang ako ay lingkod ni Jesus. Mga kapatid, sumayin nyo nawa ang lahat ng pagpapala ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Amen to that. Amen to that talaga. Tama yung pinaka sa talata na to, tamang huling pinaka-advice dito. Kaya etong sasabihin ko sa inyo, marami ng bugok sa sanlibutan na to, huwag na nating dagdagan. And that's it. So this concludes our special episode sa Rivers Expansion na tinakot natin dito. Dito naman sa segment na to. So, we had to end this vlog for now. So, this is Nino. Shoutout sa may-ari ng cellphone na to na sabi nila natin yung mga ignoramus. Kwadradong umiilaw daw. Ayan. So we have to end this vlog for now. This is Nino. At dito siya mapagtulong dyan, a nurse of enthusiast, a direct distributor of Life.ph. So, like, share, subscribe sa lahat ng mga panibagong videos sa Nino's Reverse Remake, pellet gun reviews, repair scraps, anything but white t-shirts. May bagong labas na nga pala to. Etong Dragon of SBD, hindi ko lang alam kung hindi Cobra ang brand nito. So, hanapin nyo lang itong item na to sa Bodega Sale Divisoria, Airsoft Stores, Manila. So ano ang gagawin? sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Hopefully, matapos na natin ang 4 na part na episode sa Rebels Expansion. So, see you around. God bless.
本日の動画は以上です。ヒューマンバグ大学では闇をテーマに様々な物語を展開していきます。他の動画もぜひ。